I'm good. So I have been using your early brain stimulation program. This is the sixth week. Did me the how to use the fragrances, how to use the sound, how to use the visual cards, and how to use the tactile stimulations. And yes, my baby enjoys it because she's happy and playful while I'm doing it. So I know that she's happy. One thing struck me yesterday. I had taken my daughter. She will just turn 5.5 months old in maybe another 4 days. I took her to the doctor, and a very happy and a very playful child, touch wood. But the doctor said, you have a very smart, playful, and an intelligent child. I said, doctor, I cannot comment on her intelligence, but yes, she is indeed very smart and playful. डॉक्टर सेज नो शी इज इंटेलिजेंट. अगर वो नाक में मेडिसिन डालने नहीं देती है तो वो इंटेलिजेंट है. तो मैंने I was like, oh my goodness, I just gave a small feedback that it is very difficult to put medicine in her nose. So please prescribe an alternate option. That is when he said that if she is not letting you put medicine in her nose, she is a very intelligent child.
Now, why does this happen? This is no coincidence. This is an outcome of the efforts that you've put with your child with early brain stimulation program. The smell, olfactory stimulation that you've been doing it, the pathways, the sensory pathways are so strong that brain can actually understand कि हर sensory organ को जो information मिलता है, what to do with that. So in 6 weeks, the processing is already developed to a huge extent. It requires 3 weeks to develop the basic foundation. 6 weeks, and in 8 weeks, जो आपका एक cycle खत्म होगा, by 8 weeks, the pathways, the sensory pathways will have a very strong foundation. And when the brain gets that kind of pleasant feeling in a proper structured manner, there's a lot of hormonal secretion that happens in the body, which is like a feel-good hormone, a pleasant hormone.
Yes. She keeps smiling all throughout the fragrances, all the fragrances. We love the fragrances like anything. We love the touches like anything. We can't stop giggling. Yes, she absolutely loves it.